Hello traders, today's highlights. Investors will keep their eyes on the nervous conditions hovering over Wall Street after 2 straight days of sharp declines. It's Tuesday, February 6th, and here's our daily market review. The Nikkei Index opened with a dramatic fall this morning. At one juncture, the Japanese exchange had lost nearly 6.5%, but it did manage to rebound slightly while losing over 4.7%. If this sounds like a broken record, it's because the equity markets have suffered 2 miserable days consecutively. Most analysts remain optimistic about the equities, but are wondering when this round of selling will stop. European indexes have suffered this morning too, and global investors will now turn their attention to Wall Street to see if the volatile downturn can subside. The euro has found some buyers early, as it has pushed above the 1.24 level, but the pound remains at below the 1.40 mark against the US dollar. It appears German Chancellor Merkel is organising a final coalition agreement so she can retain power. Meanwhile, German factory orders produced a huge gain of 3.8%. Industrial production numbers will come from the nation tomorrow. The yen is back above the 1.09 gauge against the US dollar as Japanese investors produced calmer conditions late in their trading session today. Gold has proven a magnet for risk-adverse traders the past day as it has climbed in price. The precious metal is around $13.40 an ounce in fast conditions. Speculative forces may find opportunities in gold, but they'll have to be nimble to take advantage of its choppy fluctuations. Additional employment data will be released in the US via the JOLTS Job Openings at 3 p.m. GMT. Thank you for watching, have a good trading day, and we'll see you again soon.